Hello Decor Glamettes, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video, I am going to be showing you a elegant black and white tablescape for Christmas. Now if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. But please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, we're gonna jump right into this black and white tablescape. Now this tablescape is part of a collaboration with myself, Glam Queen of Décor, Design and Style with Stacy, Simply Shangie's Life, Tablescapes by Candy, and Levels of Style with Sandra. We're bringing you 12 days of Christmas and tablescapes. Please make sure you go over and check out these ladies' channel. Also, make sure you hit that link down in my description box as well. Alright, now let you see how I styled this black and white elegant Christmas tablescape. Alright family, I hope you have enjoyed what I created for this black and white Christmas tablescape. Please make sure you go over and check out the other ladies' videos. Their link is down in my description box. And if you're not a part of our family, make sure you subscribe to the Glam Queen of Décor, the Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen Unboxing, and also our vlogging channel, Glam Queen Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video.